So now how to read this? Differentiation of x raised to n. Formula nx raised to n minus 1. Now what is this n here? Power of x. Agreed? Variable. So now what is the formula for it? Nx raised to n. Forget the formula nx raised to n minus 1. Okay, forget that. What should you do? What should you remember? Power, then the variable raised to power minus 1. This much you remember. That's what I said. I will make you understand some trick. Power, write the power. Variable, write the variable. Power minus 1, write as exponent of x. Simple. That will give you the easier remembering method for the formula of differentiation. Simple. So let us do some examples. Differentiation of x raised to 3. So what is the power? 3. What is the variable? X. What is 3 minus 1? 2. Done. Differentiation of x raised to negative 2. Let it be negative. Let the power be negative. I must write the power with symbol. Negative 2. X raised to negative 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. What is your answer? Minus negative 3. So what is your final answer? X raised to negative 3. So whether positive power or whether the power is negative or whether the power is a positive fraction or a negative fraction, same procedure has to be followed. Let us do one fraction. X raised to half. What should I do? Half. X raised to half minus 1. So what is my answer? X raised to what is half minus 1? Negative half. Clear? So this is differentiation of x with respect to x only. Now there can be situations where there are constants along with the variable and the power. So let us do one example of that constant. Suppose I write 2x cubed. So what should I do to negative 2? Or simply 2 also if it is there. What should I do? I should write it exactly as it is. Negative 2. Okay. Then power. What is the power? 3. This one is a separate one. And this one is a separate one. Think like that. Negative 2, x raised to 3. Now for x raised to 3 you know. Write the power. Then x raised to power minus 1, 2. This is your answer. Simple. So suppose I have differentiation of only a constant, a number, whether positive or whether negative. What is my answer? There is no variable with it. I don't have 9x. So my answer of a constant for differentiation is 0. So differentiation of a constant without variable is 0. If it is having a variable, then you have to worry. What should I do with differentiation of x? X power is 1. So what should I write? 1. Needless to write, but just to explain I am writing x raised to 1 minus 1.